Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is just a little vlog. I really wanted to show you guys my little system that I have going on when I take all of my stuff for my fashion classes. So this fall semester I'm taking pattern making level 1, and obviously we have to carry a lot of things, but in general though, fashion classes we have to take a bunch of things, and a lot of students take those like giant tote bags. However though, if you're a fashion student or you're gonna be this upcoming school year for 2025, get yourself one of these. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. Example, today it was great having this. So the parking lot that's across from the fashion classes was closed. Like we were not allowed to park in there today, and so we had to park at a different parking lot that was really far. We had to walk, and so having this little cart thing was so nice because I didn't have to carry anything. And so yeah, I got everything on Amazon, so I'll link it down below. The what's inside as well, I'll show you what I have, everything. So first of all, there were mixed reviews on this. However though, the hack here is that you don't lift this cart, okay? So you just move it side to side like this. So when you're going up and down like that, you know, up the elevator, and so yeah, that's one thing I wanted to mention, is like you don't lift it, you just move it, okay? Left, right, okay? And then so yeah, I put my little hooks here with all of my pattern that we've been doing in class. I just hang it on here and hold it, like I said, when I move it. So I'm telling you, this is coming in handy. Okay, so now let's go inside the tote or whatever this is called. So the front pockets are actually empty. I'm telling you, the inside holds so much. And then so I have this folder that we need for class. I just strapped it with the straps in there so it could hold it in place, because it is a little bit bigger than the tote, but I'm telling you, it works, it doesn't fall. Okay, so let's take that out. We're gonna remove this. And this tote bag, it is like double zipper, so as I'm telling you, I love it because I'm able to put the rulers in there. And then this one also has pockets on both sides with this like the little strap here, so that holds my pattern paper, because I roll it up. I don't like folding it because, like, you know, it has like all of the creases and I don't like that, so I roll it up, put it in there, and it holds it nicely in place. I would put the rulers here as well. However though, I have the L-shaped one that's like really long, so just putting it inside the tote works. So yeah, now let's unzip that, open it up. This is what I have. Okay, I have my little storage bin. I bought this one, it's big, okay? It holds so much. Let me put it on the table. I purchased this on Amazon as well. It's really big. You just turn it like this and it lifts up and has all of these levels. So you have pins, measuring tape, the notcher, scissors, tape, because obviously when you pattern make you need a lot of tape, hooks, stapler. I have my pencils in here. I have my giant pattern paper scissors. I have this tiny ruler like the French curve in here. Pattern weights. Oh, my professor liked these. I made a video showing you guys how you could turn toasters into like pattern weights. You could buy a bunch of these cheap on Amazon and decorate them, you know, do some fun vinyl designs on there. And here's your little pattern weights. So yeah, scissors, all of that. So yeah, it holds a lot in here, and then when you lock it, you turn it back like that, and again, here it is. Obsessed. I think it was worth it. I think this one cost me 20 bucks, worth the $20. To the tote, I have like I said, I have my rulers in here that I just put together with the elastic to hold them. But yeah, this is the ruler I'm talking about, the L-shaped one. So yeah, now the last two things that are in here are my pattern book and my notebook to take notes. And I still have a lot of space in here, so let me put that back so I can show you. But yeah, I'm obsessed with how everything fits in here. Just put back, so as you can see, I have space here in this side, and then a good chunk here if I needed to use the space. But like I said, this is all I need. so far for my pattern making level 1 class. Oh, and there's more pockets on the side with the same strap here if you need it to hold things. I'm telling you, love this. You could put the little thing up and down. Thing though that I just don't like though, yeah, it's not connected though. That's the only negative part. It's not connected, but like I said, I don't really lift it as much, but you can. It works though, like I said. So yeah, that's all. I just wanted to show you guys my little system because I love it. I'm telling you, this is way better than having those like giant tote bags and carrying all of your pattern making sewing tools with you every single day to class. So yeah, I'll link everything down below, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.